Let us solve a subarrays with some k. To solve this, let us take a prefix array or a prefix sum and a dictionary, and let us traverse through the array. And if we able to find the exact thing, let us take the prefix sum as prefix plus equal to I, and if the prefix is in the dictionary, we'll just add the one to the result. And if the prefix minus k is in the D, we'll just add the frequency of the prefix minus k to it. And let us update the dictionary every time, and let us take the rest as 0. And let us compile and run this. I think there's a change in the condition. If the prefix is equal to k, we'll add it. There's still an error. I think the error lies where we add it. I forgot to add the prefix in the dictionary. Let us compile and run this. Now it's sorted out. Let us submit this. And this is how it works. All you need to do is initially take the prefix sum. If you found the value of the prefix is equal to k, we'll just add it to the result. And there is a possibility of finding the same value somewhere else. Let us say if we have the sum of k up to this array, and let us say taking this extra value out in the D, we may get the answer or not, we don't know. So if the prefix minus k is there in the D, then we can say that this is possible. So if there is a possibility here, we just take the 10 out of this prefix sum, and if it is there, we'll just add the occurrences of the same thing that is there. So that's how this works, and thank you.